Bloktopia is allowing its fans to be the first to join the game's metaverse, and things are about to get super interesting. Bloktopians will have the opportunity to participate in the Bloktopia Alpha and be among the first to experience Bloktopia. Players will be able to explore Bloktopia in third and first-person views, earn Blok via play-to-earn games, watch an NFT exhibit, and visit virtual storefronts to learn more about the tenants who will be bringing their products to the Bloktopia Metaverse. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Galaxy. In today's video, we'll get you all the details you might be digging into about the latest alpha updates of Bloktopia Metaverse. Bloktopia Alpha Metaverse, which debuted on February 15, 2022 as the first functional and playable example of what is to come later in the year, now features B-Cube's play-to-earn game for its visitors. Bloktopia's alpha version will contain a play-to-earn game in which visitors can compete for a portion of $1 million Blok. Bloktopia Alpha will be the first playable and fully functional prototype of what will be released later in 2022. Only the most attentive visitors have a chance to win a part of the $1 million Blok, the play-to-earn game. B-Cubes is fundamental to the Bloktopia Alpha version, and people are excited to explore this new update. When playing the game in the Bloktopia Metaverse, users will have a better understanding of the controls and orientation. It's only a taste of what Bloktopia might become in the future. B-Cubes will be hidden in shops and rafters and around areas of interest throughout Level 1 of Bloktopia, allowing customers to experience the play-to-earn idea. The B-Cube will be placed in such a way that users can explore Level 1 while looking for hints. By strolling up to them or dashing towards them, you can collect B-Cube. Each B-Cube reveals a letter that will be combined to build a word or phrase. There will be a total of 12 B-Cubes to locate inside Level 1 of the Bloktopia Alpha version. Players can attempt to solve the word or phrase once they have collected all 12 B-Cubes. Players must collect all 12 B-Cubes within the time limit to win a share of the big reward. B-Cubes is also giving players a chance to win a share of the $1 million Blok drop. Players only have one chance to win by solving the problem, so have a good time and good luck. Bloktopians will have the unique opportunity to be among the first to experience Bloktopia with the Bloktopia Alpha version. Bloktopia, as we mentioned earlier, will be explored from both the third-person and first-person perspective, and players will earn Blok tokens through play-to-earn games, the NFT display, and virtual stores to experience the tenants' contributions to Bloktopia. Bloktopia Alpha is the first fully functional and playable sample of what will be released in 2022. As a result, here is a quick guide to Bloktopia. Bloktopia and the greater IT community are aware that testing often entails detecting and documenting software problems and bugs. Bloktopia believes that this test is required in order to give the optimum user experience for their partners and community. To achieve high-quality standards, Bloktopia Alpha will select community members for insight and feedback. Before a product is released to the market, it must go through a thorough review and feedback process. Bloktopia will gain a lot from this testing process because it's a one-stop metaverse for everything crypto. Players will be able to explore Bloktopia from both third and first-person viewpoints, play games, look at NFT displays, and visit virtual storefronts to see what tenants will bring to the Bloktopia Metaverse. Bloktopia Alpha will only be accessible to the most dedicated Bloktopians, it has been stated. Bloktopia announced on February 15th that its community was invited to participate in the Bloktopia Metaverse's alpha testing. Then there's the Bloktopia Metaverse's BitBoy Crypto HQ. The very first talk within the Bloktopia Alpha Metaverse, co-hosted by BitBoy Crypto, was about all things crypto. To hear what the lads had visited say, go to the BitBoy HQ in the Bloktopia Alpha. BitBoy Crypto is a Bitcoin content website with net worth of $28 million. Ben Armstrong is his real name, and he runs a YouTube channel dedicated to the latest crypto news, coin reviews, and trading advice. Since the rise of Bitcoin and altcoins, Ben's YouTube channel has grown in popularity. Crunchbase has recognized BitBoy Crypto as an investor in Bloktopia Metaverse. Crunchbase is one of the top online databases for learning about firms when it comes to innovation and technology. One of the advantages of having a Crunchbase profile is that it provides additional information about your products and services to your shareholders, investors, partners, customers, potential purchasers, and so on. While Crunchbase is primarily a resource for venture capitalists, it also has profiles for a number of private companies and firms. If you're a clever and proactive individual or a group of professionals, you must already have a Crunchbase account set up for those interested in your business. You can customize your profile to include as much or as little content as you wish. The Bloktopia Metaverse was created to provide the crypto community with a robust VR experience while also connecting users in a single immersive virtual world. It's effectively a 21-story tower dedicated to 21 million bitcoins. It'll serve as a hub bringing together all levels of crypto experience and understanding. For the first time, users will have access to crypto material and information in one place. Bloktopians are token owners, and Bloktopia will be a primary center for crypto aficionados of all levels. Users will be able to obtain crypto-related information as well as entertaining content in one convenient location. Consider a one-stop shop where you can drop off your belongings and have all your needs met. In this situation, the flexibility that comes with decentralization might be valued. Bloktopians will be able to generate money through real estate ownership, advertising revenue, and other activities. In addition to owning real estate, advertising, playing games, making relationships, and many other activities. Bloktopia will generate incredible visualizations and experiences using the world's most powerful real-time 3D creation engine. The most interesting component of this big undertaking is the Metaverse. The Metaverse serves as a link between the physical and virtual worlds in the decentralized and open-source virtual universe. Cryptographic protocols will be created to govern digital assets such as digital art, digital real estate, advertising space, and personal avatars. Transactions will be handled through the Polygon Network's NFTs, which are both cost-effective and fast. Some may wonder if it's too late for Bloktopia to succeed. Companies like Sony, Facebook, Twitter, and Samsung are all focused on Metaverse, while other Metaverse ventures like Bloktopia appear to be attempting to catch up to launchpads and IDOs. Bloktopia has also been named among today's top losers, with a drop of more than 24%. However, we must keep in mind that these events are part of a larger framework. The crypto market is still marked by volatility and uncertainty, making global adoption seem even further away and difficult. Bloktopia, BLOK, has just been on the market for 4 months, and the Metaverse concept is still relatively new. The crypto market has plummeted since then. We've been recovering for a few days, but it appears like we're stuck on slick ground. Furthermore, because the Metaverse is still in its infancy, we haven't even scratched the surface. This is very likely to persist for some time. It'll undoubtedly take time, a lot of time, to bring the Metaverse into a new social and technological paradigm. The following is not intended to be investment advice, but rather a look at possibilities that may or may not come to fruition. Bitcoin's most recent low point was $33,000. The market could possibly reach $29,000 for a brief moment, but given its current trajectory, this is unlikely. Because it's practically impossible to time the market and predict Bitcoin bottoms and tops, that's not the goal here. Instead, this is an alternative way of looking at things. Tracking Bitcoin and making moves based on its movements is a smart idea in general. Those that keep an eye on Bitcoin's moves can profit from the bear market. People invest with everyone is too enthused, and it's probably too late to make significant gains if you buy during massive pump-ups. New investors may find it uncomfortable and counterintuitive, but it's frequently the other way around. When the market is at its lowest, crypto veterans often purchase. They can invest at a cheaper cost if they take advantage of such chances. When a bear market comes, crypto strategists carefully analyze techniques for leveraging such large market moves, looking at them a little differently and doing things that are typically disregarded. In fact, if we look at all of the successful crypto entrepreneurs, we'll notice that they'll all follow the same pattern. They bought when the market was sinking and there was a lot of fun, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt, which they mistook for a bullish indication. It's right there when they put up their techniques to achieve huge returns during their bearish moments. In general, the bear market is a wonderful equalizer and can be an excellent investment opportunity when it occurs. We'll see what happens with Bloktopia or BLOK when the market recovers in light of the foregoing. With that information, we've reached the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we can't wait to have you back. Do drop this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and push the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our channel. See you soon!